My name's Adam Wilkinson and I'm a location manager. We're here in the St Mary's Church, which is a location that features in BBC Father Brown and one that I looked after. As well as a location manager, I also provide services to productions such as eco-cleans and sustainable waste management. One of the reasons for diversifying into the waste management and also the eco-cleans was being able to have more family time. I didn't have to commit myself to 6-month contracts or these long jobs where I was working 5 days a week, 14, 15 hours a day as a location manager. So that was really important that I could be able to do that through providing the eco-cleans and the waste management. Ethically, I also saw there was a need for a change and I wanted to be part of that change, and being able to confront people with the kind of hard facts was important to me. It also provides me with added revenue because it's a different stream and it kind of comes under my portfolio as a location manager and the services that my company provides. So one of the main catalysts for setting up the waste management side of the company was I encountered a warehouse being cleared out and noticed someone carrying a box to the skip, and I asked them, could I take the box? Because I knew there may be something in it that might be of use to somebody. When I got the box back to my storage unit and opened it up, there was iPads, there was battery chargers, laminators and stationery. So I was able to repurpose that and give it to somebody that needed it. In that case, it was a charity. It was a real catalyst moment where I thought, I need to do something, because if this is going to landfill and nobody's caring what's in it, whether it be valuable or not, then we were going down a really bad avenue. So as a location manager, I quickly realised that there was a niche to provide services to productions. So I realised that I could build a service around what I needed and other location managers would need. So removing the waste and being able to provide them with an Albert sustainability breakdown of how much waste they were disposing of and how it was being processed, what was going to landfill and what was being recycled, proved to be very popular. And then we diversified into the cleans as well. So an eco-clean, as opposed to just a normal run-of-the-mill clean, incorporates the use of natural cleaning methods such as using vinegar, baking soda and lemon and good old sort of elbow grease, rather than using harsh chemicals which are not only corrosive to the surfaces but can agitate anybody's kind of respiratory systems. But it also has an impact whenever you're using these substances, whenever you're throwing out water or washing the materials that's been used. The off-spill of that is going into a water source, whereas the natural kind of organic cleaning methods such as vinegar, baking soda are much better for the environment. Some of the transferable skills that I brought from location management into my business, being organised, being able to work within a budget, being able to work with people. Time management's really essential because these productions are ringing you and asking for something to happen yesterday. So being able to have a really good, strong team around you that you can rely on is important. And being an effective communicator as well. Being able to meet people's expectations and tell them, no, actually, that's not achievable, or yes, actually, we can make that work. Just being honest with people and giving them a real expectation of what they can receive whenever they engage us, and being able to instill a sense of confidence in location owners. Whenever you're going into their venue, they're giving you something that's probably pretty dear to their heart and you need to look after it. So it's important that whenever I transferred over into the cleaning side of my business, that they understood we would take as much care in cleaning it as we would when we were filming there. Early on, a top tip that I received was just say yes and then work out the logistics later on. Work hard, be diligent about what you do, so make sure when you do it to your best, because your reputation will be on the line and you're only as good as your last job. A get up and go attitude is really important. That's the top tips. If you can bring that into any workforce, you'll do well, but you'll do especially well in the film and television industry.